Need funds in your Questrade account fast? Clock's ticking. Ever missed that perfect buying opportunity because your money was stuck in limbo? We've all been there. Especially when it comes to funding your investment account, waiting for a transfer to clear can feel like an eternity. So, if you're considering a wire transfer to get your cash into Questrade quickly, you might be wondering, how long does that actually take? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of wire transfer times, let's rewind a bit. There are actually a few different ways to fund your Questrade account, each with its own speed and fee considerations. We'll explore those in a sec, but for now, let's focus on that wire transfer option. Why wire transfer? Wire transfers are known for their speed. They're essentially electronic instructions sent between banks to move money quickly and securely. Perfect if you needed that cash in your Questrade account yesterday, right? Well, kind of. While wire transfers are generally faster than traditional bank transfers, there are still a few things to consider. The not-so-instant transfer. Here's the thing, even though wire transfers are touted as speedy, they're not exactly instantaneous. There are several moving parts involved, and each one can add a little time to the process. Banks need to verify information, communicate with each other, and ensure all the ducks are in a row before that cash hits your account. Alright, how long does it take? So, how long can you expect to wait? According to Questrade, wire transfers typically take 3 to 4 business days to land in your account. That's not too bad, especially if you need the funds urgently. However, there are a few factors that can affect this time frame. The amount you're transferring, large transfers, typically over $10,000, may take an extra 2 to 3 business days for additional security checks. Your bank's processing time, remember, your bank also plays a role. Their internal procedures can add a little extra wait time on their end. Transferring internationally, if you're sending funds from an international bank, brace yourself for a potentially longer wait. International wire transfers can involve additional banks and regulations, adding up to a week or more to the process. Beyond the wire, funding options for the impatient investor. Alright, so wire transfers are reasonably fast, but maybe you need your funds even quicker. Don't worry, Questrade offers a few other options. Instant deposit, Visa debit only. This is your knight in shining armor if you need funds stat. With instant deposit, your cash appears in your Questrade account within minutes. Just keep in mind, this option is only available for Visa debit cards and has a daily deposit limit. Interac Online, another speedy option. Interac deposits can take as little as 15 minutes to clear. However, similar to instant deposit, Interac deposits also have daily limits. Fees to consider. While speed is important, don't forget about the fees. Wire transfers typically come with a processing fee charged by Questrade. The exact amount can vary depending on the transfer amount and whether it's international or domestic. For other funding options, fees may also apply, so be sure to check Questrade's website for their current fee schedule. The final verdict, is a wire transfer right for you? So, is a wire transfer the best option for you? It depends. If you need the funds quickly and don't mind the wait time or the potential fees, then a wire transfer could be a good choice. However, if speed is your top priority, explore the instant deposit or Interac Online options. Ultimately, the best funding method depends on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.